When I stretch my leg, yeah, it follows the shape of my foot, but I feel like this is too bulky.
Ballet dancers started to wear ballet point shoes about 300 years ago during Louis XIV in France to protect their foot when they were going on point or walking or dancing. And the way they were making them, the materials they are using, leather, satin, paste, paper, hessian, has always been the same. Imagine your foot standing on toes in a shoe. Then you have all your tendons which are being stretched. Then all your calf is also being stretched and standing. So the tensions, the negative energy are enormous. It's about 6 times the weight of the dancer.
The ballet dancer will do a lot of jumping and landing. And that induces stresses in the body. And the stresses come about because of a load being transmitted over an area. And stress is a load divided by the area. Just standing, not doing anything, induces a stress. However, when a ballet dancer lands, that process of landing can multiply the stress by many times. For example, if I take this rod, this steel rod here, and place this load on the rod gradually, very slowly, such as that, it induces a stress in the rod. If I load it very suddenly by letting go of the weight, the stress that's induced will be almost twice that was induced by the static load. So for a ballet dancer jumping from, say, 1 metre high, the stress can be many times that of the static loading, just standing still. Ballet dancers don't do this just once in an evening, they do this many times, tens of times, maybe more than that. So this is a large, repeated loading on the body.
We work about 8 to 9 hours a day sometimes, so all week, 6 days a week. And that's, you know, just using your body all day long. So I think that's pretty tough. But the traditional shoes, well, I'll do a lot of things too. I will just take this nail off. I will sort of make the insole a little bit, just a little bit softer. I will put the platform here in the shank, I will put that usually inside a door and sort of like break them in that way by just closing and sort of opening the door on them. So that it's a little bit softer and it just becomes a bit rounder around my toes. Right now they're like rock solid. They also make noise. And they're just really hard. They're really uncomfortable for my feet right now. But that's, you know, that's them brand new, how I get them from my shoe lady downstairs. I then put the ribbons on, the elastic on, and I just make them to how I need them for them to be perfect for me to dance on. If you cut the insole completely, it sort of digs inside the foot.
We first looked for materials. I was contacting the big one like Dupont and Durand or whatever. And because we are small companies, they never took us seriously.
Especially with my instep and the shape of my feet.
I read the Sunday Times every Sunday thinking one day I will need it. And there's a reason why I'm reading the Sunday Times. And one day we had the picture of Richard saying, I've created this for you. And I've been reading it and I thought, that's what I need. So the Monday I contacted Richard and I said, hello Richard, I'm Michael. I do point shoes. And I'd love to incorporate your product into my point shoes. So we took 2 engineers to work with us. They had the software to model the foot. They had the software to assess the impact of the movement of the foot. They had the engineering understanding of the product. So all together, we came up with the final idea of the angel. We called it the angel because it's got 2 wings. It's got 1 head and 1 body, and every part of the angel are protecting the foot of the dancers. The body of the angel is protecting the foot from the heel to the balls of the foot. Then we've got the 2 wings covering the foot on the vamp. And then we have the head of the angel, which is covering and protecting the toes when the dancers goes on point. And all this goes inside the shoe. So on the outside, the shoe looks traditional, but on the inside, we've got the angel, which is reacting to every movement. It's like a muscles protecting the foot and the dancer when they go on point, demi-point, walk, jump or run.
The Capulet shoes are less noisy, one really good thing. They're more comfortable just because of the material, the D30. Very good too. They last longer and they also absorb the shock when you jump. They cushion your landing. It's an amazing concept. It's something I need to keep trying. But so far, that's what I found, and that's quite a lot.
Engineering, technology and science were very important because they allow us to really assess what was happening for the dancer's foot. And the answer from the dancers is always very positive. Anyone who's tried it loved it.